Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Madonna of Start a Small Garden. Today, I'm going to share to you on how to know when to pick a sugar baby watermelon. So you will know when to pick the sugar baby watermelon by its tendril. Tendril is a slender thread-like or vine of a watermelon that is very close to the fruit in a spiral form that stretches and cling to your garden trellis or stakes for support. So when the tendril turns brown, it means that it's ready to harvest. And you can look as well at the bottom of your sugar baby watermelon. If it's bright yellow, you can harvest them too. So I have experimented growing my sugar baby watermelon in my no-dig garden, and I let it climb in my a metal divider, and I also have some here in my no-dig garden, which I experimented to grow watermelon in the shaded area and full sun. And I used a dustpan because the last time while it's still growing, it got some bite from a rodent or a squirrel, I guess, and I cover it up. And now I'm gonna harvest them as well. You can see the color, and here is the bite before it already healed. But a sugar baby watermelon, I didn't really fertilize it so much. And today I'm gonna show you that it is really ripe. So I'm gonna cut it with my knife. Wow, so it is. So when the tendril is brown already and at the bottom is already bright yellow, you will know that it is already ready to pick or harvest your sugar baby watermelon. So have you tried growing sugar baby watermelon before? Please let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. And let me taste it. Oh, it's so sweet, very sweet. I will save the seed as well as the rind for my red wigglers. And there you go, guys. That's how you know when to pick a sugar baby watermelon and when it's the right time or best time to harvest your sugar baby watermelon. So thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this summer. I'll see you again next time. Bye.